Yung title ng video natin today is the next major zone. Paano natin na kinukuha yung major zone na yan? This is the daily chart of Bitcoin. And if you're going to notice, ay nandito lang tayo nakastuck sa range na to. This is around 100 to 110. 100,000 to 110,000. Nakastuck lang po si Toybits dyan. So ngayon, andun tayo mas malapit sa support than sa resistance. And we have hammered the support 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. So, in case bumigay po itong support na to, ang next major zone na tinitignan natin, of course, the next SR flip area. Alin po yon? Ito yon. This is around 93 to 94,000. Okay, this is the previous support, turned into resistance, rejected, turned into resistance again, breakout, retested. So once na, ibig sabihin po, on a daily, pagka nag-close ka on a daily below this at nag-confirm tayo ng breakdown, there's a likelihood na dito tayo mapunta sa 93 to 94K area. Kung bumigay yung 100. Kung hindi naman bumibigay yan, ang possible direction lang ni Bitcoin based on this chart, consolidation. So again, yung consolidation, pagka masyadong humahaba, nagba-Bart Simpson. So yun yung ayaw natin makita, yung sumobra yung haba ng consolidation at mag-Bart Simpson tayo. Okay ako na i-retest mo yung 100, simentuhin mo yung 100, pero chart-wise, technical-wise, pagka sumobra din yung haba niyan, delikado rin kasi there's a likelihood na pababa tayo. So you want to see this na mag-break ASAP, paakyat, maybe next month, July or August, tignan natin.